Good day guys. Welcome back to my channel Ramix Vlog. In this episode, I will show and update my Alocasia Albo Varegated on how to grow more bigger our plant. So please keep watching until the end of my video. Thank you. So let's start our repotting plant process from flower pot into direct soil planting. This is our Alocasia Albo Varegated. I will remove this from flower pot into direct soil planting. Now direct to the soil, our plant. After 5 months, see the result? Our Alocasia variegated more bigger, and the variegated is coming out and looking beautiful. Our plant. Thank you for watching guys. Please support my YouTube channel Ramix Vlog and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you and God bless you all.